Hello everyone, welcome back to Orbit Trade Daily. I'm Zayed. This is day 3 of my $500 swing trading challenge. So, how's the update for day 3? Today has been much better. Actually, not just better, the market has been pretty good. Yesterday, some of my positions were showing heavy losses. For example, Turtle was down by around 30 USDT, but now that loss has become much smaller. As for recall, which was negative yesterday, it's now up by about 2 USDT. For my latest update, I opened a position on EVAA. I'm only using 2 USDT of margin. It's a very small position because I'm simply testing the market. If the price drops again later, I'll add more capital and start averaging down. So right now, I'm just watching the market. But if EVIA doesn't go down, that's completely fine too. Because I could still make around 300 USDT without doing anything. If EVAI keeps moving higher, maybe to 0.3 or even 0.4, I'll simply wait until it reaches my take profit. It's only around 300 USDT in profit, but I don't have to do anything at all. That's what I call printing money. I just sleep, I just watch the market, and suddenly I make 300 USDT. So that's my update for EVAI. I only entered with 2 USDT of margin. It's an extremely small position. As you can see, I only bought around 34 EVAA. Now let's move on to recall. My stop loss is set around 0.019. If the stop loss gets hit, I'll lose around 135 USDT. Since my account balance is 500 USDT, my capital is still strong enough. If I lose 135 USDT, I'll still have around 365 USDT remaining. My take profit target is set at 2 USDT. If it reaches that level, I'll make around 24,000 USDT in profit. Now we simply wait until either the stop loss or the take profit gets hit. My bigger position is on Turtle. Earlier, I mentioned that I'd still have around 365 USDT available. So now I'm updating my stop loss based on that remaining balance. I'll set it to around 357 USDT, which is approximately 0.016. If the price drops to that level, I'll lose around 357 USDT. My take profit target is still 4 USDT. If that target gets hit, I'll make around 90,000 USDT. So that's the update for day 3. I've officially changed my overall goal from 500 USDT to 50,000 USDT. Since this is swing trading, I have no idea when that goal will be reached. What I'm waiting for is the perfect moment. As we've seen many times before, there are plenty of crypto coins that suddenly move from almost 0 to 20 USDT, 24 USDT, or even like REF, which was pumped all the way to around 27 USDT. That's exactly the kind of move I'm waiting for. Hopefully, one of the coins I'm holding will eventually make a huge move, just like the coins we've seen before. Especially some of the recent ones like LIB. These are examples of coin that experienced massive pumps. Once a coin starts moving, I'll simply hold my position until it reaches my take profit. Now, imagine if every single one of my positions hit their take profit targets. It's extremely unlikely, but if that happened, I'd make around 115,000 USDT. It's very difficult, but in crypto, nothing is impossible. Anything can happen. Sometimes the market moves very slowly, then within just a few days, it suddenly becomes extremely volatile. Take EVAA as an example. When EVAA was trading around 0.2 to 0.3, the market was moving very slowly, but once it started getting pumped, the price became incredibly volatile. Around those lower prices, EVAA barely moved. The market was very slow, but after the pump, everything changed and volatility exploded. As you know, this is a brand new trading account. I created it on July 12th. As you can see, everything started on July 12th. This account is dedicated only to this challenge. I deposited exactly 500 USDT. You can also see the transaction history. I transferred 500 USDT from my other account. So my balance has now grown from 500 USDT to 510 USDT. That means I've made 10 USDT in profit by day 3. It's not a huge profit yet, but that's completely fine. As for my calendar PNL, it's still only day 3. Tomorrow, the new trading day starts at 7 p.m. Indonesia time. So that's today's day 3 update. I'm Zayed. Bye. What will happen on day 4? Make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next